All right. So here's how you get the video inside of text effect. It's a very simple effect and it adds so much to a production. So first, let's add the video in and maybe give a little space at the bottom because you can change the background and I'll show you this later. So once you have the video in, you want to add some text. To do this, you can click on the type tool. I'll just press T, then hover over wherever you want the text, click on it, and type whatever text you want. Here, I'm just going to type in text as a placeholder. From here, you want to go to the effects over here and search track matte key right here, and take that track matte key, drag it into the video file that's on the timeline, and also drag out the text to cover the whole video or to whatever duration you want it. So now we go on the video, select it, then go to Effect Controls, and under Track Matte Key, Matte, click on whichever track the text is in. For this example, it's on V4, Video 4. So we'll click on Video 4, and there we are. We have a lovely video inside of text effect. Now, I'm going to show you how to maybe add a background. Go ahead and go back to the project, then click on New Item, right here by the trash can. Then click on Color Matte, press OK, and choose whatever color you like. I like white. It's one of my favorites for this kind of effect. It just makes it look so professional. Let's say you want to add more things, so you want to create some space. You'll notice, it's all messed up now. So all you have to do is go back into the video and change the matte to whatever the text file is or the text track is. Right now it's 6. So switch it over and voila, we're back at it. And here we go. A lovely video inside of text effect. You can change the color. You can even put another video under it. Do whatever you want. Have some fun. Create some masterpieces.